Libya, a land of hidden beauty. This North African country, often overshadowed by its tumultuous history, is a place where the golden sands of the Sahara meet the azure waters of the Mediterranean. Libya, a North African country with a rich history, often evokes images of vast deserts. The Sahara Desert, with its endless sea of sand dunes, is a sight to behold, stretching as far as the eye can see. But there's so much more to this enigmatic land. While it's true that the Sahara Desert dominates much of its landscape, Libya is also a land of surprising diversity and beauty. From ancient Roman ruins that whisper tales of bygone eras, to volcanic craters that stand as silent sentinels of the Earth's fiery past, and mountain ranges that rise majestically against the horizon, Libya's landscapes are as varied as they are breathtaking. Libya offers a tapestry of landscapes waiting to be discovered. Imagine standing amidst the ruins of Leptis Magna, feeling the weight of history around you, or exploring the Caucasus Mountains where ancient rock art tells stories of early human life. The diversity of Libya's natural scenery is truly astounding. This visual journey will take you to some of Libya's most stunning locations. From the coastal beauty of Tripoli, with its blend of modernity and tradition, to the serene oases of the desert, each location offers a unique glimpse into the heart of this fascinating country. Get ready to be amazed by the hidden gems of this North African treasure. Whether it's the breathtaking views from the Green Mountain or the serene beauty of the Ubari Sand Sea, Libya is a land of hidden beauty, waiting to be explored and cherished. Join us as we uncover the secrets of this captivating land. The Sahara Desert, a sea of sand. Stretching over 9 million square kilometers, it is a vast expanse that seems to go on forever, a testament to the raw, untamed power of nature. The Sahara Desert, the world's largest hot desert, covers much of Libya. It extends across multiple countries, including Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Western Sahara, Sudan, and Tunisia. Its vastness is both daunting and awe-inspiring. The horizon seems to blur into infinity, a never-ending sea of golden sands that challenge the very limits of human endurance and imagination. Imagine a sea of sand, with dunes sculpted by the wind into ever-changing shapes. These dunes can reach heights of up to 180 meters, constantly shifting and changing, creating a landscape that is both ephemeral and eternal. The silence is profound, broken only by the occasional gust of wind. This silence is a rare commodity in our noisy world, offering a unique opportunity for introspection and connection with the primal forces of nature. As the sun sets, the dunes glow with a warm orange light. The play of light and shadow creates a mesmerizing spectacle, a daily reminder of the beauty that can be found in even the harshest environments. The Sahara is a place of stark beauty, a reminder of the power and indifference of nature. It is a land where survival is a daily challenge, yet it is also a place of profound peace and timeless beauty. The desert's vastness and silence invite contemplation, offering a stark contrast to the hustle and bustle of modern life. Here, one can truly appreciate the grandeur and majesty of the natural world, and perhaps find a deeper understanding of our place within it. Caucasus Mountains, ancient art and towering peaks. Rising from the desert floor in southwestern Libya are the Caucasus Mountains. These sandstone formations are more than just geological wonders. They are an open-air art gallery, preserving thousands of years of human history. The rock faces are adorned with prehistoric rock art, depicting animals, humans, and scenes from daily life. These paintings offer a glimpse into the lives of the people who once inhabited this region. Ghadames Old Town, a desert oasis. In the heart of the Sahara lies Ghadames, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Ghadames is a remarkable example of human adaptation to a harsh environment. The town is built with mud brick houses, painted white to reflect the sun's heat. The houses are connected by covered passageways, creating a labyrinthine network of streets. At the center of the town is a spring, a vital source of water in this arid landscape. Section 5. Leptis Magna Roman Ruins on the Mediterranean. On Libya's Mediterranean coast lie the ruins of Leptis Magna, once a grand Roman city. Founded by the Phoenicians and later expanded by the Romans, Leptis Magna was a major trading center. Today, its ruins are remarkably well preserved. Visitors can wander through the remains of temples, baths, and an amphitheater, imagining the city in its heyday. Section 6. Cyrene, a Greek city, frozen in time. High in the Jebel Akdar Mountains lies Cyrene, an ancient Greek city founded in the 7th century BC. Cyrene was a center of culture and learning, known for its philosophers and poets. The city's ruins are spread across a plateau, offering stunning views of the surrounding countryside. Among the highlights are the Temple of Zeus, the Agora, and the theater. Section 7. The Libyan coast, beaches and turquoise waters. Libya's coastline stretches for over 1,100 miles along the Mediterranean Sea. With its sandy beaches, clear turquoise waters, and secluded coves, the Libyan coast has the potential to be a major tourist destination. Imagine swimming in the warm waters, sunbathing on pristine beaches, and exploring hidden caves along the coast. Section 8. The Green Mountains, a Lush Escape. In stark contrast to the desert landscape, northeastern Libya is home to the Green Mountains, also known as Jebel Akdar. This region receives more rainfall than the rest of the country, resulting in a lush, green landscape. The mountains are covered in forests, dotted with villages and terraced fields. It's a world away from the desert, a place to escape the heat and enjoy the cooler mountain air. Section 9. Wau and Nemus, a volcanic crater oasis. Deep in the Sahara Desert lies Wau and Nemus, a volcanic crater with a difference. This otherworldly landscape features a dark volcanic crater surrounded by a ring of white ash. Within the crater is a series of small freshwater lakes, a welcome sight in the middle of the desert. The contrast of colors and the unexpected oasis make Wau and Nemus a truly unique destination. Section 10. The Akakos Mountains, prehistoric rock art and landscapes. The Akakos Mountains in southwestern Libya are renowned for their exceptional collection of prehistoric rock art, some dating back 12,000 years. The paintings depict a changing environment and the animals and human life that once thrived in this now arid region. The area's dramatic landscapes, with towering sandstone formations sculpted by wind and erosion, add to the site's allure. Section 11. Explore the world. What's next on your list? The world is vast and full of endless possibilities. Each corner of the globe holds a unique story, a new adventure waiting to be experienced. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or someone just beginning to explore, there's always something new to discover. This visual journey through Libya's stunning landscapes is just a glimpse of the beauty and wonder that our planet holds. From the vast golden deserts that stretch as far as the eye can see, to the rugged mountainous terrains that challenge even the most experienced hikers, Libya is a land of contrasts. The ancient ruins tell tales of civilizations long gone, while the serene coastal havens offer a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Libya offers a diverse range of experiences. Imagine standing atop a mountain, feeling the cool breeze against your face, or wandering through ancient ruins, each stone whispering secrets of the past. The diverse landscapes of Libya are a testament to the rich history and natural beauty that this country has to offer. What other hidden gems are waiting to be discovered around the world? From the lush rainforests of South America to the icy tundras of Antarctica, our planet is filled with breathtaking destinations that are just waiting to be explored. Each location offers its own unique charm and beauty, promising unforgettable experiences and memories. Share your thoughts, and let's continue to explore together. There's something magical about hearing travel stories from others, learning about their adventures, and getting inspired to embark on your own journey. Whether it's a solo trip or a group adventure, the world is full of opportunities to create lasting memories. What places inspire you to pack your bags and embark on your own adventure? Is it the allure of a bustling city, the tranquility of a remote village, or the thrill of an unexplored wilderness? Whatever it may be, let your curiosity guide you. The world is waiting, and there's no better time than now to start your next adventure. So what's next on your list?